Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jay's Creative Space. Today I am making my little elf gift baskets for our elf on the shelf. Our elf, his name is Snowflake. So I'm just starting the first one for my oldest daughter. She's in college, so she's older. But I just started by stuffing this bucket with Walmart bags, and I put these little green foozles on top just to kind of, cover the Walmart bags up. So let's get into these elf baskets. I showed y'all, but I got these from Target and they're from the Wonder Shop, and these are called mug huggers, and look how cute they are. It's like a marshmallow shaped snowflake, and you put it on the corner of your mug. I just thought that would be so cute and festive. So this next one is going to be for my middle daughter, and she is in high school. So still another like big girl theme elf basket. bucket that I'm making now is for my youngest daughter, and she's in elementary school. So you'll see like things for a younger girl in here. This is my last little elf basket, and as you can see, it's for my youngest daughter. And I appreciate you for watching, especially if you made it this far. And I will see you next time, next craft, next DIY. And y'all know y'all stay blessed. Bye.